better today. Remove the curtains and open the window. I want to see. Look, see, Johnsy, see. After the heavy rain and fierce gusts of wind, the last leaf, Johnsy, the last leaf still hangs victorious. It is the last one. I thought it would surely fall during the night. Oh, Sudhi, I'm hungry. Please give me something to eat. Of course, Shansi, of course. I'm going to give it to you. Oh God, she's written it. Thank you, God, thank you. Oh, Sudhi, I've been a bad girl. Something has made the last leaf stay there to show how wicked I was. It is a sin. It is a sin to want to die. It's okay, Johnsy. Now what really matters is that you're okay and fine. And that's what really matters to me. I'm always thankful to God. He saved you, Johnsy. He saved you.
How nice it looks. How do you feel, my child?
Better, doctor.
You look better, Lily. Take care of yourself. Don't let meaningless thoughts to overpower you.
Doctor, what about my patient? Is she going to be all right?
Of course. She is going to get better. Now what she needs is nutrition and your good nursing. Call me in case of any emergency. I will be going now. I have to see another patient downstairs.
May I ask Doctor who?
Bourbon, they call him. A kind of artist. He's a weak old man.
Barman? What happened to him?
His attack is acute. There is no hope for him.
Johnsy, you're awake. Please stay on the bed. I'm going to meet the old barman. Tell dear Barman, I cannot meet him right now, but tomorrow I'll surely go and meet him. It's okay. I will surely tell him. Don't know if I will be able to or not. Of course you will. I will come back in few minutes. Until then, please take rest. Doctor, what happened? What? How are you surviving me that night? That cannot happen. That cannot happen. That cannot happen. He died because of us. Yes, please. Should I tell her? Should I tell her what I have just discovered? A horrible discovery indeed. Hey, Sudhi, what are you thinking? Johnsy, I have to tell you something. Mr. Barman. What happened to Mr. Barman? Mr. Barman is no more. Johnsy, Mr. Barman is no more. Mr. Barman is no more. How? What happened to him? He died of pneumonia. He was seriously ill. The caretaker found him in his room, dead this morning. They could not even imagine where he had been on such a horrible night. His clothes are wet and icy cold. Johnsy, they even found a lantern, still lighted, a ladder, some brushes, and a scattered palette with green and yellow colors mixed on it. What? How? When did all this happen? Look at the ivy leaf. Look at the last leaf, Johnsy. Look at the last leaf.
darling. It's Berman's masterpiece. It's Berman's masterpiece. It's Berman's masterpiece. He gave his life to save yours. To save yours.
Really, really, it is a masterpiece of art. Probably no artist has ever painted a painting like this just to save a life. It was my fault, my foolishness, that the fatherly man gave his life away.
Your sunrise, dear Chauncey, has been the sunset of Berman. A man with a noble heart who walked day and night just to prove that the last leaf is not the last leaf of your life. More leaves will come and dance on the branches of life. But the masterpiece made by Berman will stand to the test of the turbulence. Never ever a mind will think again that the last leaf means death. The last leaf painted by Berman will trigger optimism for the generations to come, for the generations to come, for the generations to come. Come, Chauncey, come. Let's paint a broken sun. Let's paint a broken sun with a cup of tea, Chauncey.
Your audience, just look how a wonderful piece of art has saved life. A masterpiece. A masterpiece is a miracle. A masterpiece is a healer. A masterpiece lives beyond time and space. Look, we the fools always ignore the art, but just imagine, just a simple masterpiece of a wonderful artist has saved the life of an innocent girl. Let's give a big hands together. Let's put our hands together for the masterpiece. Yes, the masterpiece.